Hi guys, good morning. You know what we're gonna do today? We're gonna do a Dutch pour but with an ice blue background. This is gonna be fun. So a lot of you commented on my video with black versus white and wanted to see a different base. So we're gonna do that today. Okay, so we start with this blue. It's sort of the same color as my table. We start with the primary blue, the Winsor Blue, a little bit of this, light turquoise, gold, maybe too much gold, but whatever. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna pour the leftover light blue around this, and I think I'm just gonna blow it out without blowing it over the colors. There's enough contrast. Let's torch it. Well, this turned out beautiful, I must say. So I'm very happy I tried this, but I really like the white background a lot more. Also, because I picture always my paintings in somebody's living room or bedroom or whatever. And yeah, but this one I can frame in a white frame and that's gonna look gorgeous, I think. What do you think? And what will be my next background color? Let me know what you want to see and see you next time.